Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to Khalis Desi Food. I'm your host Qudsiya, and today I'll be making one of my favorite dessert for you guys, mango ice cream. It is very easy and quick to make, and to make this all you need is a blender and the ingredients. So let's make it. To make mango ice cream, we need 1 liter 35% whipping cream, 2 cans of mango slices, 425 grams each, or you can use 850 grams of mango pulp or fresh mangoes if they're available. We need 2 carnations, 354 ml each, 2 condensed milk, 300 ml each, 4 slices of white bread. We are going to remove the sides of the bread, and now we need a blender to blend these. First of all, we will put mango slices in the blender. We will only use mango slices, not the syrup, to make the ice cream. And then we will add some condensed milk and carnation and blend it well. Next, we will blend the remaining ingredients and fill up the containers. Then we will freeze the ice cream for about 8 to 10 hours. So here we are. Our delicious mango ice cream is ready to enjoy. It is very simple, easy to make. Do try it and send me your feedback. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.